Good morning, everybody. This is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping, and I'm in my home garden, the Serene Forest. And today we're going to talk about a plant that has two common names, and I'll put the scientific and botanical name in text. But this is Manyflower, either Beardtongue or Foxglove. Both are used. And this is a really cool Florida native plant, and it really does well in dry soil. You can see these flowers. It hasn't even finished. It's still budding. It's about, as you can tell, I'm about 6 foot tall, and this is, I would say, easily 5. This is probably the tallest I've seen it get, and normally I see it around 3 feet. It's got these awesome white flowers that pollinators love. And here is your fun fact for the week. So as you can tell by the scientific and botanical name of this plant, it has Digitalis in as the species. And if you've ever seen Digitalis as a genus of plants, you may know, and here's the fun fact, that the genus of plants that are Digitalis are used to make a medicine for heart failure called digoxin. And that's obviously a genus of plants, and this is not in that genus, but it can be kind of confusing to see that this has Digitalis as a species name, even though it's not in that genus. But nonetheless, this is a great Florida native plant to have in your garden, and if you're looking for some, please let me know, and I will let you know how much we have these for sale for, and when we have them, how many we have, and how we can get them to you. Okay, you can always check out our online nursery. You will see that in the description below, and you can always check out our website for more fun facts and more gardening information in our forum. Have a great weekend, guys, and happy Easter.